Hello everyone, this video is about full load current chart for single phase AC motors 115 volts and 230 volts. This is a chart for full load current in amperes, single phase alternating current motors, horsepower 115 volts and 230 volts. Purpose: this chart helps determine the full load current in amperes for various horsepower rated motors operating at 115 volts or 230 volts. Why it matters for students and electricians? We have first, proper wire and braking sizing. Second, safe motor installation. Third, prevent overheating and trap breakers. And supports troubleshooting and system design. Key insights. Motors at 115 volts draw about twice the current of those of 230 volts for the same horsepower. Always check both voltage and horsepower when planning circuits. Thank you for watching and God bless.